In this video, we present to you Feathered Geniuses, Secrets of the Crow's Mind. They have no hands, no facial expressions, no language like ours, and yet they solve puzzles, plan for the future, hold grudges, and even recognize themselves in the mirror. These aren't primates, they're birds, but not just any birds. They are corvids, the crows, ravens, magpies, and jays, and their minds may be among the sharpest in the animal kingdom. The vending machine test. In one groundbreaking experiment, New Caledonian crows were taught to drop coins into a vending machine to get food. Within days, they understood the cause and effect, and even began collecting coins around their enclosure. This wasn't luck, it was learned behavior and economic thinking. The tool maker. These same crows didn't just use tools, they made them from sticks, leaves, and even wire. In one famous test, a crow named Betty bent a straight wire into a hook to pull out a food bucket. No instruction, no trial and error, just spontaneous innovation. The mirror test. Self-awareness was once believed to be unique to humans and great apes. But in Leipzig, Germany, magpies stunned scientists by passing the mirror test, recognizing themselves and removing marks placed on their feathers, only visible in the reflection. The magpie saw itself. The social spy. In a chilling display of intelligence, scrub jays were seen re-hiding their food caches after being watched by another bird. Why? Because they had stolen from others before, and they knew the danger. That's theory of mind, the ability to understand the thoughts of others. The water trick. In an experiment inspired by Aesop's fable, researchers placed food floating in a narrow tube of water. Crows dropped stones into the tube, raising the water level until they could reach the treat. They understood volume displacement without ever being taught. The traffic light hack. In Japan, crows were filmed placing nuts in crosswalks, waiting for cars to crack them, then swooping in when the pedestrian light turned green. They weren't just using tools. They were using us, timing their movements with human infrastructure. The funeral rites. When a crow dies, others gather in silence. They surround the body, sometimes for hours. Scientists now believe they're learning from the death, memorizing the face of danger or the place of threat. But some believe it's something more. The memory of faces. Crows don't forget. In a famous Seattle study, researchers wore danger masks while trapping crows. Years later, even without being trapped again, the crows remembered and mobbed those same masks, warning others. The knowledge spread like wildfire. That's culture. The future thinker. In a final mind-bending test, jays were offered food they couldn't eat now, but would want later. They saved it for the future, even hiding their favorite snacks in safer places. They weren't just reacting, they were planning, like us. So what drives this intelligence? Perhaps it's their social complexity, their need to adapt in a world built for humans. Or maybe, just maybe, their small black eyes hold the echoes of a mind we're only beginning to understand. In the shadow of their wings, genius takes flight.